Good morning. So today's agenda is fit new motor controller. So great news, I received it yesterday. It came very quickly, so I ordered last Monday and yesterday was pretty much week, and it came from China, so I'm very pleased with Golden Motor's service. This is how it looks like. So I already have unboxed it. I tried to make a video, but with the footage didn't look good, so yeah, that's not going to see sunshine. Anyway, so the controller is still in there. So these are accessories or to put on the table. So the one of these harnesses is for the actual controlling the motor. Second one is just purely comms lead. So if you want to make different kind of communication protocols like RS485 CAN, so it can be fully. The motor controller can be fully integrated into, I would say, industrial environment. So that's great. So I put the manual out as well. So that's the cooling kit as it comes in. So it's four, I want to say 10mm push-on fittings, and yeah, and a reel of tape. That will be useful. So yeah, let's start do work. So as just you see, I finished the prep work, and yeah, let's take it down below. Ooh. So now you're in my engine bay. And yeah, let's start with draining the coolant and then removing the old controller. Okay, enjoy the time lapse.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
First part of the new controller reinstall is finished. As you can hear, the water cooling pump is working. This is how it looks like for now. It's a mess. It will stay like that for some time, I believe. Now I'm just running the pump to confirm I have no more leaks. I don't know how much of time-lapse actually captured what happened, but I had a massive leak, and it's like, yeah. You know, I can deal with a lot of things, but I don't like pipe work, and apparently I'm not good at it either. So, yeah, there's a drip leak here. I wonder where the drip is coming from. Oh, okay, it comes from here. Alright, so that's from me. Yeah, so I will run this for some time, just confirm, touch up any little leaks if I find any. And then see you in electrical trial and obviously initial programming. Right, see you later. Do this. Okay, forget about it. You can't, it's fine. Right, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Right, so, easy tune. Ooh, a lot of GoPros. Okay, so, let's start this. Yeah, we have 3 different angles, one on me, one phone. So we see everything was happening, or most of it was happening. And now, for first time, let's power up the controller and see what happens. So, mains there is on. Mains here is on. Oh. Right. Key. Right. Controller should be powered up now. And don't see anything really. Right. Confirm. Okay. Energy not connected. Right, I want to connect. Don't know if I'm getting noises. Log in. Enter your password. Authentic login and password. I don't know. For login. Oh, okay. Automatic login. What is the password? Some weird noises on the boat now. Okay, I don't know the password for the controller. Let's see, maybe it's in the messages. Well, it's tried to communicate with controller. Well, that's good news. You can know how to log on page 15. Okay, page 15. So let's have a look. Page 15. Page 10. Page 15. Page 10. 14. 7. 11. Page 15. Come on. Right, I see that one. Page 5. Production out. I guess it's different. Alright. Four, 5, 6, 2, 4, 12, 13, 14. I see 14 pages. Page 3. So what's your initial password? That's the question. Setup, right, so programming all USB cable controller interface is easy, simple, into self-learning, calibration, all parameters. Okay, that's good. Right. What's your password? Decent display. Line pointer. Who? No. Have you fixed your thing? Not yet. Just. Right. Let's go maybe in this manual. There is a different manual. Maybe I don't see something like, okay, page 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Aha, there you go. The default password login is the last 11 digits of your controller. Oh my god, guys, you are like, holy shit. Okay. Like, that's a bit crazy, but hey, God forsake somebody logs in your controller. God forbid. No. I wish I would knew that before. Because now I cannot get to it. Ah, I have red light, that's good. So that means it's on. So controller is on. Last 11 digits, holy. Wait, let's just double check. That number looks similar. 22, 22, 23, 56. That's right. Last 11, easy. Oh, okay. So the number should be etched somewhere. Right. 222. I'm recording or not recording what's happening on the screen. We have a limit how long you record. Oh, that's stupid. I want to see, is there anything in this side? Okay. Serial number. Well, let's try that number. Let's see, does it work or not? And are you still recording? Yes. Easy connecting, yeah. Okay, so 2 3 0 6 4 0 6 1. Okay, well, that's not the number then. It's the only place where it is on the actual controller. Only. That's crazy. Can I move you? Can I move you? Please don't just explode in my face. Oh yeah, I found the number alright. Right. Okay. Is it blow drilling? No. Right. 04. 2 3. Oh, 20, sorry. 2023 05. Oh my god, that's stupid. Oh my god, it takes so hard to log into that thing. So, now we are logged in. And let's proceed. That was a lot harder than I expected, but hey, we got security, you know. Right, so and then monitor self-learning. Right, so now I need to select self-learning, start self-learning. Okay. No idea what you're gonna do and how long it takes, but hey. Okay, so it's basically what it does, it goes through the throttle, I guess, and checks what's the feedback on the voltage is. I don't know, I'm just guessing out of thin air here. I don't want to be too rushed. I'll just go quickly in that manual and read for a change. Right, okay, so password I figured, right, okay. So self-learning. We'll be using golden motor type here, so PLC monitor. Self-learning is not necessary. The motor can work once the wires are connected correctly. If your EZKontroler is to be used with a BLDC motor, what I have, self-learning and EZKontroler is necessary. Please proceed self-learning when wires are connected correctly. The motor can only work after self-learning successful. Right, and how I know when it's finished or not. And real time and controller, that's beautiful. Self-learning, find the process, find and proceed. Nope. Self-learning after the increased throttle signal to max and maintain it. And after the buzzer, motor speed will be slow for a while and then increase. And it will stop with DD. Release the throttle with DD. Self-learning will be completed. Oh, this will be hard because I'm not gonna hear it. I'm away. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Now got the throttle off the deck. What I will need to then put back together. Well, hey, oh man, that was murder. Not like it's helping. I have packed everything everywhere, so I had to unload, put stuff out, then I will need to put back in, and hopefully it works now. Right, let's get my phone. Right, EZTune. Disconnected. Right, let's connect back out. Yeah, okay, I need to switch it on. Just switch you back on. Oh my god. Right, it came on, so that's good news. Connecting. Login. Okay. Record the phone screen as well. And now, right, so self-learning, yes. Right. Ah, wait, I need to wait. And then go back. Right, okay. Okay, I wonder, did that trip my... That was working, right, okay. So I have forward and reverse. So, I don't need inverter, so switch you off. That's 0. Give me a better readout. Okay, right, so now if I go very small, I want to see if that's the number I'm looking for. 3.3, so 3.5. Problem, guys, I cannot really test it because like I'm on the water and I don't want to just like fuck up. Right, if I go outside with all my things, give me a moment here. Back. Right, okay. So forward. So I'm doing that. Okay, so there was 7 on that. So I guess the bus guard is the main. So I can then if I go reverse. Right, so forward is forward. Right. Okay. Right, let's call it a day, eh guys? Done. It works. Another day. We'll try a little bit more now.